for outdoor security lights. This one is 500 lumen for $29, $30. It's 1,000 lumens and 600 lumens for $29. I wouldn't do the 330 at 450 lumens. This one here is 800 lumen, 1,000 lumen security light, 1,500, 2,000. And this one is 1,800 lumen by GE, costs $44. And for $49, you can get 2,500 lumen, which is what I would do, 2,500 lumen. Here's a smaller light, 24 lumen, 100 lumens for $30. That's a good one. And then up here, you can buy 5,000 lumen light. See, it's 5,000 lumens for $45. That's a good price, and it's easy to install. It just clips on easily. And then we got more of these. And then this one is a good one too for $30, $29. You can get 2-year warranty and 1,500 lumen, which is not good, which is pretty good. This one is 800 lumen, 800. This one is 1,500 lumen. So for $24 you can get a hyper tough light, or for $29 you can get 2,400 lumen. I would do the 2,400 lumen or the 5,000 lumen. And you never have to worry about plugging it in. You never have to worry about wiring it up. And if the power fails, then you always have power in a storm or bad weather conditions. The sun provides energy every day. It brings it down solar power to your home every day. This is the way to go, folks.